Hey guys, I am Surbhi and welcome back to my channel Food in My Aura. Today's recipe is about making coconut milk and then infusing thandai flavor with it. Before starting, let's look at the health benefits of fresh coconut milk. It is full of healthy fats. It helps in treating skin ailments. It promotes hair growth. It helps in weight loss and it maintains heart health. And now let's see the health benefits of coconut milk thandai. It improves digestion, it boosts energy, it boosts immunity, it cures flatulence, and it's a natural detoxifier. To begin, let's look at the ingredients list. 1 cup of grated fresh coconut, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gulkand. You can take rose jam if you don't have gulkand. 3 green cardamoms which are deseeded, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, few strands of saffron, half teaspoon of black pepper and 8 almonds which have been soaked overnight and then peeled. And 3 cups of lukewarm water. Firstly, put grated fresh coconut in a blender jar. Add half cup of lukewarm water to it. Close the lid and churn it for a minute. We need to make a fine paste, and for this we will be adding water gradually and not all at once. Now add half cup of water and blend it for a few more seconds. Take a bowl and arrange a sieve over it with a cotton or muslin cloth. Pour coconut mixture from blender to this. Squeeze out the coconut milk by pressing it like this. Thick coconut milk is ready, which can be used in a wide variety of dishes. Now put the coconut pulp back to the blender jar and add 1 cup water. And blend it for 30 seconds. And strain it. Repeat the process of churning the coconut pulp with 1 more cup of water again. This repetition helps in getting maximum out of coconut. By adding more water, we have got thinner consistency of coconut milk. But still, adding up to 3 cups of water for a cup of grated coconut yields good taste. So this is how we can make fresh coconut milk at home. Now let's move on to the next part of video where I will infuse this coconut milk with thandai flavor. For this, I have soaked fennel seeds and black peppers in some water overnight. Also, I have soaked saffron few minutes ago. Always soak these ingredients, especially almonds, fennel seeds and black peppers overnight to get their maximum benefit and nutrition. This soaking process enhances their cooling effect on body and stomach, which is a much sought after reason of drinking thandai. Now we will make instant thandai syrup. For this, add soaked fennel seeds, black peppers and saffron along with the water in which they were soaked. Also add green cardamom seeds. Add almonds, add gulkand and churn it to a smooth paste. See, our instant thandai syrup is ready. This is giving such a beautiful aroma. Now bring back the bowl of coconut milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust sweetness as per your preference. Add freshly made thandai syrup. Mix it till sugar dissolves and then keep it in the fridge to let it cool, as thandai needs to be thandi, no? And this super rich drink of summers is ready to be served. Thandai has been a mandatory part of our summer traditions since ages, and now when it's infused with coconut milk, it's exotically flavorful. Pamper yourself with this fresh, aromatic, refreshing and nutritious coconut milk thandai to beat the heat. Always stay healthy with freshly made food free from preservatives. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up and share your experiences with me in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. Bye bye.